circles in contract. I'll draw a drawing and explain how to get the answer. So I've got this drawing. Okay, I've got this drawing. I've given it to you and I say, can you copy this drawing? The question is, how do you do it? So, you can see that it is easy to get this center because I've got 1 point and the 10. Huh? You can get this center and that center. That's where you start from. You start from what you know you can get. Okay? So you come, draw center line. You measure down 10 millimeters, draw another center line. After measuring 100. So you have got that center line, I'll call it center 1, this center 2. Then this will give you center 3, then this will give you center 4. So I've got center 1 and I have center 2. On center 1, I can draw circle what? Circle of center 1. So open your compass, 60 radius, 60 millimeters. Put your compass there and draw that circle. Then the compass again, open 30 radius. Come here. Draw that circle. This circle doesn't want to be found. Okay. So now you have drawn the 2 circles. The question is, how do you find the center 3? Center 1 is known, center 2 is known. How do we find center 3? That's where now the construction comes in of circles in contact. So, to find center 3, the concept how this is sitting. It's like you have got a big circle and small circles inside. Can you see? Now this big circle, the radius is there. This one radius is here, this one radius is there. For you to get to outside, you pass through that radius. So, we need that distance. Are we going to add the radius, the big radius and the small radius? Are we going to use addition or subtraction? For you to know this distance x, you will say 150 minus 30. Because this 30 is within 150. It's not outside, it's inside. So, all these, even this one, you first go to the center there, you extend to outside. So that radius is there. But you are looking for this distance, y. So you say 150 minus 60. You come here. Open 150. Here. Sorry, you open what? 120. Open 120. Draw an arc. Fence line, eh? Draw an arc. Then you come to this one. Once you subtract, it gives you what? 90. Open 90, come here. Draw an arc. Where they cross each other, put a plus, small plus sign. And name it as center 3. Center 3. Draw a line. Draw a line from there, passing anyway. From there, passing through the center until it touches there. This becomes your point of contact. Without this line, it means you are not telling me anything. Then you come here, draw a line here. Where it cuts there is your point of contact. Once you show me this and the 2 lines, 2 marks for this, 1 mark for this, 1 mark for this. Then put your compass here, open to P here, and check if it's coming to this P. Are we together? So I will draw. Like that. So this is how you get the drawing. The distance from there to there, we say this what? 120. So it's 120. 90 is this side. Then from there to there is 150.
So that sign, what does it mean?
Which one?
That one. Yeah.
It means the radius is at the point you don't know. So you are looking for that radius. The center, sorry. It's at the point you don't know. So you are looking for that point. Okay? Now, how do we find center C4? C4 is like this. I've got to be that circle there, that circle there, and I've got another big circle outside. That one with the circles were inside. This one, the circles there is outside. So my center 4 is there. I've got my center 1, my center 2. Now, for me to get to center 1, I'll go from center 4 and that. Can you see? So the distance I'm looking for is from there to there, which is the center or radius C. I'll call it radius 1 plus radius 4. If I call this radius 4, this is the radius 1. I'm adding now. Before we were subtracting, now we are doing what? Addition. Even here, I'll go there and I'll continue that distance. So from there to there, I'll say radius 4 plus radius 3. If I call this R3. So I'm adding. So in terms of numbers, I'll say 130 plus 30, 160. This side is the 130 plus 60 equals 190. So I'll take my compass, come at center 1, open 190, because the curving, this radius is down. Open me 190, then draw an arc. I'll come to this point, center 2, open 160, and come here and draw an arc. Where they cross each other is my center what? Center point. So I'll put a cross there. Center 4. I'll draw a line from center 4 to center 2. Faint line. Where it cuts there is your point. I'll draw a line from center 1 to center 4. Where it cuts there, it's your point. Then you open 130, check if it's correct. Are we together? I'm almost done. From there, open there, and check there. And draw what? An arc. Any question? Any question? Okay.
Come here.